Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, the 2022 to 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander is a great rig to get started in overlanding. The one thing that it's lacking is a little more ground clearance, but we've got you covered with our 1.5-inch lift kit. This is a simple bolt-on kit that you can definitely install on your own. Not only is it going to lift the Outlander, but it's also going to get rid of that nose-down rake. It's going to give you additional ground clearance and allow you to run a taller, more aggressive tire. Let's take a look at what's included. Up front, we've got our strut spacers, clearly marked driver and passenger. These install without fully removing the strut. You simply have to unbolt it from the strut tower. You can slide these in, bolt them on. We've also got all the necessary hardware, sway bar link relocation brackets and its hardware. And finally, we've got our rear coil spacers and their hardware. All of this comes together for the perfect blend of style and performance. More ground clearance, better looks, no compromises. Make your Outlander outstanding with our 1.5-inch lift kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.